If you are wondering if we have AI features on POCO X8 Pro, then the answer is yes. The phone does indeed have a couple of different AI tools that are quite easy to find. Most of them can be found in settings, so if you open settings over here, then you should be able to go to Xiaomi Hyper AI. In here we have two options. We have the Gemini, so of course we have the Gemini digital assistant provided by Google, which is available on pretty much any modern Android smartphone nowadays. In here this is not an exception. And also we have circle to search, which can be activated by holding your finger on either the navigation button or the home button, depending on your navigation type. And then we can also go to AI App Boost in order to find Xiaomi's couple of different AI features. So for example, we have the AI Writing Assistant, we have AI Writing option as well, and we have AI dynamic wallpapers. In many of these cases you can just simply see that we have the start button, or you can either turn it on, or you have a list of all of these different options, and you should be able to find an additional instruction on how to actually find and use those AI tools, so be sure to check them out if needed. There is also the AI speech recognition over here, where we have a couple of AI tools for the recorder. We have the translate conversation option. There we go. As you can see, the list goes on and on. The interpreter over here for calling, and AI subtitles. So the list is quite huge. Leave a like and subscribe.